Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can return Temu items without shipping. So first you need to open Temu application and log in into your account. So here you can find an option of support, but here you can see that as there is no support option here. So how you can contact the support team? So you simply need to go back and you need to open any browser and search for the Temu support. So let me search Temu support. Click on that and click on contact us and click on contact us again. So here it is, and now you need to mention the product and the complete detail to the Temu support team, and they will help you to return without shipping. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, much like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.